How many of you could manage to squeeze through without scratching your bike?
Into the bend. Beautiful. Stay in your lane, lad. Stay in your lane. What the f is he doing, man? Drivers, man. He's sticking your lane. Look, how is he driving, man? Off in the first lane, off in the second lane. What the f is he doing?
Deixa eu cair ali, irmão. Deixa eu cair ali.
Vem aí, ó, isso aí é porco, hein, cuzão?
Filma tu, ó, quase pegando o cara aí.
Well, that was uncalled for. Yeah, you just ran into my lane. What was that for, dude? Trying to get me killed or something? Unbelievable. Oh, yeah, headlights. Ah, whatever. Sure, looking at me. Oh, there she goes. Yay, she actually figured it out. Awesome. That was literally the first time ever. First time ever somebody actually gets where they're like, oh, that bad. I have my lights off. Let me flip that on.
This biker came too hot in the corner, lost control of the bike and ended up in the ditch. Luckily, he was okay, but unfortunately, his bike was messed up.
Oh. No. No, 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 no. No! Oh, I can't believe it, dude. I came in the corner too hot and just, yeah.
Your back tires started coming out.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm heading back home.
You alright?
Can't tell yet. I got flung. That could have been a lot worse. I crashed my bike.
Maybe. No, it's fine. Totally fine. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh
it's
my
great.
goodness, dude. I still can't believe I feel like one of those noob riders that just was overconfident and made a stupid mistake.
This biker found Lost Kitty on the road and he did best he could to save it and get it out of the danger.
No. Oh, god damn it, man. Oh, wait, 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 wait. Got it. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, you can't be on the road, please.
Driver, who was behind the biker, saw what happened, got triggered and tried to chase biker.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
After the accident, driver tried to escape. Fortunately, cops were fast on the site and caught the driver, who was under the influence of substances. Luckily, both of the bikers survived with minor injuries.
He didn't even f***ing stop. That scared the shit out of me. I just scared the shit out of me. Hell. I know, don't worry about it. I was just saying, f*** myself there, man. It's alright. Oh. It's one of the days. I'm drenched all the way through and everything, man. I know, that's what it is. I'm going to move it like this, boss.
Please, go down that way. I'll follow you. Ah, yeah.
This biker managed to record his friend flying off the 7-foot drop. He ended up with broken wrist and broken bike.
Oh. You good?
I think so. I smashed my face a bit and I'm a bit wobbly.
Just sit down on the floor.
Yeah, probably.
Just sit on the floor.
My wrist is a bit painful. I can move it though.
You got adrenaline. Just you gotta let it cool off for a sec.
Just check my phone's right in the pocket.
In here?
Yeah, in the big.
Hold that.
I got it. No, it's bent.
A new one.
You got any pain anywhere? What? You say your wrist?
My wrist's hurting. It's pretty bad. But like, it's not like I can twist it.
I doubt that's broke.
Yeah.
Like you'd be like this if it was broke.
It's hard and my cheek hurts. But
Your eye's gonna come up. Take your bag off and your chest stuff. You got it. Clutch.
Oh, mine.
Oi!
definitely the worst crash I've ever had. Down here.
Oh, it's here, mate. This is what I'm saying. You flew. You landed on someone's kebab.
Naimos tayo naman! Gago ka? Tala ako sa biror! Ano yung multi sa binakal? Grabe ka ba? Pahilag man! Kamera oh! Kamera oh! Kamera oh!
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!